Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can give a stroke to your image in the Pixlr photo editor. So first you have to import the image that you want to give a stroke or an outline, or how you can give an outline on your Pixlr photo editor. So first you have to just select the image that you want to give a stroke, then just click on the edit you are seeing on the top. Here you will see the stroke, click on that. And now here, as you can see, it is the size. And if I can just increase the size, here you can see its outline and stroke is increasing. You can also decrease it. If you want to change the color of the strokes, you can just click on the color option, and here you can just simply select the color of your stroke. You can also increase or decrease the opacity of your stroke, and then just simply click on apply. And this is how you can give a stroke to your image. If you find this really helpful, so please like it, because this is the only motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video.